Swagbucks allows only one account per person, so a duplicate account warning usually appears when the system detects another account connected to the same user, device, or household. By the end of this video, you'll know what causes the duplicate account message, how to resolve it, and what to avoid, so the problem doesn't happen again. Start by thinking about whether you've ever created another Swagbucks account in the past. Many people forget they signed up years ago with a different email address. Try logging in with your older email addresses, or use the password reset feature to see if an existing account is still active. If you recover your original account, use that one, instead of creating a new profile. Opening multiple accounts can lead to account restrictions, or prevent you from earning rewards. If you share your home with someone else who also uses Swagbucks, remember that multiple accounts from the same household can trigger additional verification. Each person should use their own email address, personal information, and payment details. Never switch between each other's accounts on the same device unless Swagbucks specifically allows it. Next, avoid using VPNs, proxies, or location-changing apps. These services can make account activity look unusual and may increase the chances of verification requests or duplicate account warnings. If you recently changed phones, reinstalled the app, or signed in on another device, make sure you're logging into your original account instead of accidentally creating a new one through a different sign-in method. If you believe the duplicate account warning is a mistake, don't keep creating new accounts to test different email addresses. That can make the issue more complicated. Instead, contact Swagbucks support and explain the situation clearly. When you contact support, include the email address you believe belongs to your original account, any other email addresses you may have used previously, your device model, screenshots of the error message, and a detailed explanation of what happened. Giving complete information from the start helps the support team verify your identity more efficiently. While waiting for a response, avoid making changes to your account details or attempting repeated sign-in attempts with different accounts. Consistent account information makes the review process much easier. To sum it up, use your original Swagbucks account whenever possible, avoid creating multiple accounts, don't use VPNs during account access, and contact support if you believe the duplicate account warning is incorrect. Those steps solve most duplicate account issues without creating new ones. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other Swagbucks troubleshooting tutorials.